Hi, here we are at the lake. Kids and Classics boat, Muskoka Seaflea. Malcolm Black is out doing some testing right now. Maybe it's Malcolm, maybe it's somebody else, but we're gonna go have a look. There's a guy. I see that guy right there. Hi, who are you? Who are you?
Well, I'm not Mr. Seaflea. That would be
but
you.
Who are you, sir?
But I'm Malcolm Black.
And what's going on here today? Look at all of this stuff. What craziness have you done?
We're just making rough water.
Rough water?
Yes, in the world's largest indoor lake.
All right.
And we're demonstrating that you can actually race boats on an indoor lake.
Were you test driving yesterday?
I was.
And how'd it work out?
I got very wet.
Yeah, okay, well, that's what I figured. How does the boat behave in this small space?
I'm surprised it actually works. And those guys that just went, they didn't get wet.
And you did some testing yesterday?
We did some very interesting testing yesterday.
And what happened yesterday?
Cavitation happened.
Cavitation?
Yes.
That's a good thing, right?
No.
No?
No. It introduced a level of newly found skills that nobody suspected we were going to need.
You're awesome, Malcolm. So what you doing here?
Changing the propeller,
Why is that?
because the boats were cavitating really bad.
Yeah.
So we're putting a lower pitch, larger diameter propeller on them.
And what's that gonna do?
Hopefully it's going to move more water
Yep.
and not take on air, which will allow the boat to go faster and not lose in the corners. That's the plan.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you, sir.
The problems this morning, just working out the details of how to run these.
Yep.
Fair competition and making certain everybody gets home safe and happy and relatively dry.
And I understand there was a bit of an issue with cavitation.
Yeah, the cavitation, we're trying a couple of different prop combinations right now. The water gets very choppy in here, as you can probably see over my shoulder.
Yep.
And that causes the boats to pop a little bit, so we put in a bigger blade. We'll see if that's going to work.
See if that grabs the water a little more. Fantastic. So you're driving the boat with the new prop,
Yeah.
right? What do you expect out of this?
Well, the other boat was in the way. I couldn't really tell.
Okay, so you're
I'm
gonna
going to do a test run myself.
let her rip? All right. How was it?
So much fun! Big learning curve.
So your next race, what's your strategy? What have you learned from today's test run?
That it's a bit crazy when the boat cavitates like that, but it's a big learning curve. I'm having a ton of fun.
All right, nicely done.
Hi, Chris.
Who are you?
Eric looks up
And
from Toronto.
and what's going on today?
So today there's another demo. It's Sunday. Half an hour demo from 2:45 to 3:15. We're going to have the 4 boats out on the water. We've got 4 drivers, one in each boat, obviously. One's going to be Christian. We've got Aiden Taylor as well as Scott Robertson. So we're going to have 2 teams. Aiden and I are on the one team, and Scott and Christian are on the other. And we're going to do 3 heats. So do a best 2 out of 3 and put on a really, really good show for the crowd. We've had great interest from young and old alike. So and we just did the parade through the halls. A lot of comments, a lot of wows. I had one of those when I was a kid. A lot of fun. So we're looking forward to this.
Okay, where are we right now?
So we are on the CNE grounds. We're just behind the Marley hockey rink, and we're just staging. We're going to be on water, trying to get the boats at 2 o'clock, get them out there in the next 20 minutes, just staging. The drivers are getting ready, get helmets on, life jackets on, and really build the excitement for the crowd.
That's fantastic. Thank you. What are you checking for?
Safety all the way, making sure all the steering is good, the throttle goes back into neutral, she goes back into idle. Safety's the key. Safety's the key here.
What else?
No injuries, no damage. Steering, throttle, and we're good to go.
All right.
No paint soaked up, no leaks.
Let's start taking. We're going to start taking the boats out but we can only take them out one at a time. So we're going to take one out, unload it off the, put it flat on the dock.
How's it going?
Very well.
What's happening right here?
We're just getting the boat staged so that they're ready to go in as soon as we can.
Fantastic. Who are you?
Christian looks at
And what are you doing today?
driver.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Classics is a volunteer, non-profit community boat shop in Glen Williams, and what we're interested in is getting kids in boats.
What we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be sending 2 boats to each quarter. We're going to be sending 2 boats that do not have fins up to the north end. The 2 boats that do have fins are going to be going to the south end.
The drivers, we're going to give you 5 seconds to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We are recording.
Okay, watch your toes. Spear over there.
I'll edit that part out. Okay, Scott, your reputation's on the line.
I'll see what I can do.
You can cut the tension with a knife. It's just so electric.
Oh my god. I had so much fun.